Guys, welcome back to the Crystallina Perspective. Today guys, I am in the bathroom. So y'all know when I'm in the bathroom, that just typically means that we're about to do a little bit of hair. We're about to finesse something, okay? So today, if you guys could tell by the title, I will be reviewing some products that were sent to me for the free from Influenster. If you are not an Influenster member, what are you waiting for? Now, granted, I have had a ton of people that have told me that it is a process. I have had them to tell me that sometimes they may not get anything. And here's the reality. Starting off, you may not get a ton of things. However, if you continue the process, it's just like content creation. You continue to create content, you continue to grow, you continue to do all of the things, and eventually you get to where you're trying to go, guys. Same thing with Influenster. I've been using Influenster for many years now. So me able to get certain products that I'm able to get, I kind of worked my way up to this point, but you can too. So link will be down below in the description if you want to check out Influenster. You don't have to post the products that you get to any social medias. That's optional, not unless it tells you in the campaign instructions that you have to. But for the most part, you get sent free product, you get to review things, you get to try new things, and you get to save a coin or two, okay? So now that I have rambled about that long enough, let's get into it. Okay guys, so today I am going to be playing with some Fable and Main hair products. Now, Influenster, I'm grateful, but I was sent travel or trial size products. So honestly, I don't think this is going to really last me more than maybe a wash or two, because y'all see this hair, it's a lot out there or whatever. So I received the Fable and Main Holiroots Shampoo. That is what that looks like, guys. It looks like that. And I also received the Holiroots Conditioner. And that is what that looks like right there. Okay, so the Fable and Main is a hair brand that is sold inside of Sephora. It is what I like to call a luxe high-end brand, similar to like Pattern, Briogeo, brands like that. So this Holiroots is one of their newest lines, and the shampoo says it's gentle care for hydrated hair. The products are for all hair types. There's no silicones. There's a vegan formula. It's cruelty-free, and that's good. The first ingredient listed is water, so it's a water-based product. Then you have the conditioner, and it has all the same things as the shampoo, except for it says that it's nourishing treat for silky soft hair. So I'm going to be using these two products today. I'm also going to throw in this bad boy that Influencer sent to me a while ago. I tried this. I don't remember much about it, but it is the Saha Scalp Cooling Scalp Mud Mask. Apparently this mud mask has bentonite clay, and it's used to refresh and soothe the scalp, and it's a lightweight formula which will help with a balanced scalp from the environment to help prevent flakiness and remove oiliness without stripping. So it says that we are going to use this product and we're going to apply it to wet hair and massage into our scalp. We can leave it on up to 10 minutes, and then we have to rinse it out. It said rinse out and follow with the Holiroots hair mask or conditioner. So we are going to test out this shampoo first, and then we're gonna retest this out because I don't remember, and then we're gonna test out the conditioner and be done with this video. I know this video is gonna be kind of short, but that's neither here nor there. So for starters, let's look at the hair. Let's examine it. It is pretty curly. I have been using sample products that I not purchased, that were given to me at the Natural Hair Show. I did go to the Natural Hair Show back in April, and I've kind of been wearing my hair in this like little top knot situation. And then, yeah, so my hair has a ton of product in it. So I'm very curious to see how well this shampoo is going to cleanse. As y'all can see, I'm beginning to get flakiness from all the different products that I've been using, trying, playing with in my hair without cleansing the hair. Okay guys, so the plan was for me to actually blow my hair out and clip my ends. However, my blow dryer broke. I don't have the comb attachment that I normally use, and yeah, that's just that. So I'm not going to blow it out. Instead, I'm going to do a low manipulation style, since I will be traveling out of the state this weekend with the wife. I'm gonna do something low manipulation where it's kind of twisted up or something like that, but that's going to be like in a different video where I'm going to bring to YouTube some products that I've been playing and testing around with on my Instagram. So let me go ahead and wet my hair. I'm gonna try to do this a little bit different, because last time with the whole shower situation, y'all, I'm not there yet. I am not that content creator. I ain't there yet, okay? The girlies that be in the shower, y'all are the real, oh geez, I'm not there yet. So let me go get this together. So as y'all can see, the hair has so much product in it. I should be ashamed of myself. Y'all see how bad my hair shrinks though? Like, look at this little hang time that I got. Anyway, y'all can see my hair is dirty. Like, the freaking product is trying to like basically rinse itself out. Like, let me see if I can get a back view for y'all. All y'all back there say, Crystal, do better. So I literally just wet my hair. I didn't even get in the shower. I just literally wet my hair. That's all I did. I just wet it. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use this shampoo. So put some in my hand. I want y'all to see this. So it's super thick. It has like a little herbal scent to it. There is hair, because y'all, my hair is, I'm not gonna say it's shedding, but it is shedding because I technically did not, dang. Okay, little hair product. Okay, little shampoo. It is a super duper thick formula, by the way. Like super duper thick. Like y'all see that on my hand? It's thick, baby. Ooh wee. So, ooh child. Y'all see that, girl? And I'm using this part of my fingers. Okay, wow, honey. So first things first, I love the scent. Like, it's like a herbal clean scent. I don't even know if I'm explaining that the right way, but that is what it smells like to me. As y'all saw, as soon as I put it on my hair, the hair leathered. Like, child, ooh, honey. I mean, so yes. So I'm really loving that for me and my hair right now. So I'm just gonna pull it down in hair strands. Yes, like, look at this, y'all. Like, y'all see this? Oh my goodness. And all I did was apply what I showed y'all. Like, okay, little Fable in Maine. Let me find out. Y'all see that? Like, honey, I definitely feel like my hair feels very soft. It feels moisturized. As you guys can see, my curls are already, like, I know it don't take much for my curls because I technically have like type 3 hair. Like, it takes a lot for my hair to like kink up, but I'm able to run my fingers through this shampoo, which is, I didn't pre-shampoo. Y'all saw what this hair looked like before. So wow, like, the fact that I'm able to like start at the bottom and run my fingers through is so mind-blowing to me. Like, what? Look at this. Like, honey, hunty. I'm just saying, like, wow. Holy cow. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go back to the shower. We're gonna rinse this out. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we have cleansed hair. I'm going to go back in with the shampoo again because I am a creature of wanting to make sure that I am giving you guys all of the right information, all of the right tea. So we're gonna go back in again. This hair, as y'all can see, it was flaky, but we're gonna go back in again with this shampoo just to make sure that it wasn't all the 500 other products I had in my hair that was making me think I had like good results. I just wanted to get the hair real good and clean, sis. But so far, I mean, it's giving. It's giving so far. So like I said, I want to go back in again with that shampoo. So here we go. Okay, y'all see that? Okay, so it's shampoo golden. Yes, look at that, y'all. Wow. And it has such a moisturizing effect. Like, I'm not gonna pour any more in my hand. I'm just gonna, you know, use what I have here. But look at that, y'all. It's doing the things, okay? Right. For me, y'all, 5 out of 5. Wait a minute, let me rinse this out a second time because I want to know if it's one of those shampoos you can use twice. You know, like some shampoos you only can use it once or it's gonna strip everything out your hair. Be right back. But look, the curls, y'all see that? It's giving like honey. I'm back. The hair is elongated. I'm loving that for me. She'll go. Like, look at this. Yeah, she's a go. I love it. Like, y'all. Love it. So now I'm gonna use this. So it says it wants me to apply a small amount and down like sections to the scalp. I am gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it out and follow up with the conditioner. So I think I'm gonna start off over to the side, and granted guys, my hair is soaking wet, okay? So, that is what it looks like. Since I got a little bit on there, I don't know. Yep. So you're supposed to put this on your scalp. Go for it. Oh, it's thick. The roots, the roots, the roots, the roots, the roots. Okay, it has the bentonite clay like smell. I can definitely Smell that, but I'm literally putting this on the roots, okay? The roots. It feels good, like on the scalp, it feels really, really good. It does smell like it's a clay of some sort. I am getting that, definitely getting that. I'm not even sure how much shampoo using, y'all. I know I said all that fast. Basically, I said I'm not sure how much of this I'm supposed to be using, but look, we're doing the things. That's what we're doing. All of put it on the scalp. Oh, it's giving me like a tingling sensation. That I wasn't expecting. But I mean, I guess if it's like a clay, you know, give or take. So I'm gonna let this sit, guys, because I'm gonna let it sit. And then when I come back, it's gonna be rinsed out. And then we're gonna move on to the... Okay, y'all, so I took my little plastic cap off or whatever. This is the mud mask on my hair. It hasn't been the full 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, but I wanted to hop on camera real quick to tell y'all that it's like a tingling, cooling sensation. So like when I put the cap on, everything like kind of chilled down, cooled down on my scalp. I think I like that. Okay, y'all, so voiceover me is here. I ended up having to film this last section in silence because my wife was kind of talking to me, so a lot of the clips I kind of had to edit out. But I then went in with that Holiroots conditioner, and let me just tell y'all, this conditioner is super duper thick. Like, I would definitely say that Fable and Mane gave their claim. They stated that it was hydrating. I will say that, as you can see here, it's super thick, and I'm just spreading it out on my hand so you can kind of see how it spreads. But literally after that second shampoo, after that clay mask, my hair still felt moisturized, but it didn't feel the moisture that I wanted it to feel. So this conditioner was absolutely necessary. So going in with this conditioner was that like cherry on the sundae. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking it all in. This product had a very relaxing floral smell. There is hibiscus in it. So I was taking in all of the scents, just kind of relaxing, enjoying this wash day experience with Fable and Mane. So as you guys can see, I'm just putting the product all through my hair, and after I apply the product, I'm now going to go in and I am going to detangle. Now let me just tell y'all, I ended up having to detangle my hair in even smaller sections because, you know, y'all girl over here did not take care of her hair. It had been literally like at this point maybe 3 weeks since I had washed my hair, and I did not pre-shampoo, which I should have. So I experienced a lot of shedding and stuff like that. I do not think it was in relations to the Fable and Mane. I will say that I should have used a pre-shampoo or pre-pooed or something like that, but the conditioner did what it needed to do. Y'all see this definition? The hair was detangled, the hair was moisturized. It gave what I needed to give. It poured back into my hair what my hair needed, and OMG, I really want to try more from this brand. So as you guys can see, I'm just giving you guys a whole 360 view of the hair. I have now washed the conditioner out, and 10 out of 10, I recommend this shampoo and conditioner. I know I had said 5 out of 5 with the shampoo, but for both of these guys, they are on the pricier side at Sephora, but I recommend them. Thank you, Influenster, for sending me these.